Basically, there's been quite a change in the weather right now. There is, quite a lot. So, the weather in Houston has changed a bit. It's still it's still snowing, I mean. This probably is going to be until who knows when. By 12, it's going to end, but the temperature is going to go lower, so just a heads up. It's 26, but it's going to go down to 23, and the lowest could be 20. So that's at 6. It's going to be 27. It's just going to raise it to 42. So, yeah. There isn't really much, change in the weather. But the National Weather Service says that there is a blizzard warning in effect for Beaumont and Lake Charles now. Houston's still under a winter storm warning. There was a blizzard. I did hear a small blizzard at 3 in the morning. So that was kind of a big thing. The winter storm watch has changed a bit, but not really anything else besides that. Waco isn't under a watch anymore. It's now just under a cold weather advisory. Lufkin's under a freeze warning. Houston, Bryan, Austin. Austin's now under a winter storm warning, actually. Austin. But I don't expect that much. Snow accumulation up to 1 to 4 inches. I actually want to show y'all something. Outside. Alright. As you can see, the snow has doubled. And believe it or not, but it's kind of reached the window. It's about 6 inches, I'm gonna guess. It's kind of, you know, big. It is still snowing, though. I'm not sure if you can see the flakes, but there are still snowflakes falling. It is moderate. It's not a high precipitation, but it's medium and low. But there are still hundreds. I can still see hundreds of snowflakes falling to the ground, just as it was in the morning at 6. And there are still high winds, as you can see. There are high winds. But besides that, not really anything. There is not much of a change besides that. But who knows? Maybe there could be more of that. It's the winter storm watch warning. I mean, it's still in effect until 6. It might snow until who knows when. So let me check the forecast. Radar forecast. Let's see. As you can see, there is quite a warning over here. There's quite a lot of snow still here. So now let's go to Houston. And here it is. Alright. Snow ending, it says around 11. It is kind of true, but I want to see a radar forecast, as you can see. Let's check it out. Here's Sugarland. I'm just gonna go to the Houston area. You know, the farthest we can get is Rosenberg, so let's check. Snow's still going until 10:30 in Rosenberg. Right now in Sugarland, it's gonna keep going until, in my area personally, it's gonna go until like 11. In the Houston area itself, it's gonna leave at like 11 as well. In Beaumont, it's gonna leave at 1. And the storm itself is gonna leave at 1 p.m. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 1. 5 more hours for people in Beaumont and Lake Charles. 5 more hours of snow. But besides that, you don't really have to worry that much. But there are a couple alerts, like if power goes out, then that may be a problem. Here, there's no power going out. I mean, Could have, but it didn't. So I'm good personally. There's backup genera, so it's okay. There are a couple other things also, as you can see. If you go over here to the weather, there are blizzard warnings. There are blizzard warnings and historic snowfall totals. Don't know exactly how much it's gonna go. So see that. Houston, New Orleans, Charleston. All right, 1 to 3 inches, 3 to 5. Here there has snowed about 4 inches, actually, not three, 4. Um, I don't know if y'all already saw, but basically 4 inches of snow here. The five another inch of snow is going to be falling in New Orleans, but it is called a blizzard warning in New Orleans because you know the snow's falling pretty fast, so that's why it's called a blizzard. But overall, y'all don't really have to worry that much. Yeah, 3 to 5 as well as Albany, 3 to 5 in Wilmington, Charleston, Atlanta. Atlanta's not gonna get that much snow, probably like half an inch. Charleston 1 to 3, Mobile 1 to 3. Y'all don't really have to worry that much. It's not that much snow, guys. It's not a complete catastrophe. But I could say that, half to a foot, half your foot to your foot of snow could be falling. So far, there was a ton of snow falling. It was about 4 inches, 6 inches, somewhere there in that range. Since it's still going to be snowing, it could get as high as 5 inches. So it's really unpredictable. Like here, it's already snowing 4 inches, and they said it was going to snow 1 to 3. So you really just have to be aware. As you can see, Houston is in that area. Sort of Houston County is in that area. Houston, the city of Houston, basically. Houston area is around that area. Even though there's a big patch right here that's really Bryan and north, east, and west. South, west, and east of Houston, y'all are gonna receive possibly 4 to 5 inches because that happened to me 4 inches and it's still falling. So yeah, really just gonna have to see. Ice also in Florida. Here in Houston, there's really just like at least like point yeah 0.10 inches of ice. I heard at the window freezing last night, so yeah, it's kind of risk. But mostly right now it's just flesh. High chance of ice near Lake City, Jacksonville, Savannah, Tallahassee. They're going to see low to medium. So really just be aware of that. And, you know, hopefully nothing bad happens.